Hey guys, the book, it's finally here. Your copy is going to be in your hands very, very soon. I am so happy and so thankful and just feeling so blessed for all the pre-orders that came in and all the orders that are coming in after the pre-order situation. So they are finally here, nice and glossy and wipeable cover, which is great. And then the upgraded pages inside here as well. Let me find a good color page for you. But there's a recipe right there for you. And so these are a little bit more durable. Who is that? Oh yeah, that's me. And then my favorite kitchen items and stuff like that. Just the favorite stuff that I use here on the homestead. And oh, I mean, like, who doesn't love a bowl of onions and garlic, right? Am I right? Anyways, so we are going through there. I can't help myself, but there's a picture. So they're a little bit more glossier pages and thicker and stuff like that. Because I really do mean for this book to be utilized very much in your kitchen and in your garden, so you can take the book with you and review what I'm saying, what to do, how to use DE in your garden, or how to do vertical planting, just kind of just growing and cultivating your garden and stuff like that. So I want it out there. I want it to get dirty, and I want it to get used, because it just brings such just such joy. It brings obviously joy to me because it's my thing that I do. But so yeah, so here it is, and my kitty. I had to let my cat out because she was meowing, and while I love the cats, they are kind of a little bit distracting. Meow meow. Anyways, I guess she's just as excited as I am for this book. Like, I'm just so excited. It's just insane. So here we go. So I today will be starting to sign the books for who ordered the pre-orders, because I wanted to see and feel the whole process, and I wanted to do something special for all you guys who did the pre-orders without even seeing the book yet, and just kind of trusted in me and the faith and everything like that. So I'm going to be signing them in the beginning of the book to those who have requested it. Some people have bought them for other people, so if they wanted me to, I will sign them or not. Also, just like a little thank you page that'll come with it as well. And then all those who did the pre-order will get my garden journal, which you can get separately as well. And I've talked about this a lot, but this is exactly how I keep track of my gardening and my journal. And this journal will actually keep track of it for 4 years. And you can buy more, or they'll be able to be bought separate for others as well who are ordering the books that did not come in the bundle. So I will start shipping them this week by USPS, and they will show up in these white boxes like that. Unless you are local, I will maybe reach out to you guys, to some of you, to just kind of be able to hand this over to you, into your hands in person, because I mean, you're obviously not as excited as I am, but your excitement has really fueled this, and I love it. So I want to see some people's faces in person and stuff like that, just to see you guys. Because here's what my father-in-law said. He got to see the book that was not the upgraded version, and he goes, "Oh wow, it's like a real book." I'm like, "Yep, it is." And he's like, "Not." I mean, he's like, this is just a book that we're gonna be able to find in the stores." I'm like, "That was the goal, boss man." Yeah, thanks, pops. But yeah, I thought that was hilarious. So it is amazing to see something come to life in a real book instead of just like in the binders or printouts and stuff like that. So use the crap out of this book, guys. I love you. Thank you very much.